On a previous episode, we won a storage auction for $198 in Casa Grande, Arizona. If you're interested in watching that full video, you can look at the link down below, along with the 8-part series in this unit. It was full of surprises, and at the end of the day, the biggest thing is, did we make money? A lot of people in the comments thought that we weren't going to make any money. It was a bunch of junk. It was bad buys. So we're here to show you guys exactly what happened with this unit, what we sold, what we didn't. So let's see what we do today. Let's jump right into this unit and see what's sold here. You guys might remember this. This was an Aero Fastener Company model T50P stainless steel heavy-duty stapler gun. This sold relatively quick, within days, for $15.45 shipped. This took about 4 hours to sell on eBay. It's a Sweetwater Guardian water purification microfilter cartridge and part new. Looked like there was a part that went with it, so we just decided to take it up, lot it up, throw it out there. And it sold for $10.95 plus $5.07 shipping for a grand total of $16.06 shipped. This sold within 6 hours on eBay. Bat House Builder's Handbook from 1994 paperback book, and this sold for $12.95 with free shipping. A lot of these smalls on eBay definitely add up. This one took 4 days to sell. Stand and Deliver DVD from 1998 with good old Edward James Elmos and Lou Diamond Phillips. Sold for $6.45 shipped. This took 5 days to sell on eBay. It's a Tubbs 25 Trail Adventures TD's Control Wing, USA made navy gray hiking snowshoes. And this sold for $44.95 with free shipping. I gotta be honest, I didn't know what this was when I first looked at it in the storage unit, but after I brought it home and did some research, you know, that's what the great thing is about the phone. You can easily look things up, no doubt. This took 7 days to sell on eBay. Radiation survey meter landers Frary Clark detector tested and works. Just put some batteries in and it fired right up. It was like brand new. Sold for $49.45 shipped. This is a pretty cool item here. This took 8 days to sell on eBay. It's a Georgetown Loop Railroad Colorado striped USA train conductor hat, brand new, size medium. This sold for $19.75 plus $4.99 first class for a grand total of $24.74 shipped. This item took roughly about 10 days to sell on eBay. It's a giant microbes, E. coli bacteria medical learning science plush 3-inch Dow new NWT. And this sold for $11.40 with free shipping. This item here took about an hour to sell on eBay. It's Apocalypto DVD from 2007 with Mel Gibson. I thought this would bring more money, but it's been a while since I've sold a copy of it. But we did take $9.35 with free shipping for it. This took 11 days to sell on eBay. It's a Celebrity Duck, 2001. Carmen Miranda, the Brazilian bombshell, Samba rubber duck toy. And I just looked this thing up. I'm like, it sells on eBay. I can't believe it. You know, I thought I was going to have to sell it locally, but we got $9.95 with free shipping for it. This item sold within 24 hours on eBay via promoted listings. Don't Bother to Knock DVD from 2002, the Marilyn Monroe Diamond Collection. Didn't bring a lot of money, but it did sell. It did flip. $5.95 with free shipping, which was media mail. Gotta love media mail. This took 2 days to sell on eBay. And I think the reason it only took a couple days is because we lotted it up, you know? I mean, you got to kind of bundle things on eBay to make them flip. This is an Art Spiegelman Mouse, M-A-U-S, Survivor's Tale comic book volumes 1 and 2, paperback lot. This sold for $12.95 with free media mail shipping. This took 11 days to sell on eBay. It's a Barnstein Thermoline Type 16700 Vortex Mixer, Maxi Mix 1. Shaker tests it and works. And I originally sold this within a couple days of listing it, and then the buyer's just a deadbeat. You know, you get those from time to time on eBay. So we had to relist it, and it did sell. So we relisted it, sold within a day or two, but we unfortunately had to wait, 7 days to get it back listed, to see if these people were willing to pay. It was just crazy, but that's eBay. eBay's crazy. Anyway, we'll take it. $34.95 shipped. These here took 3 days to sell on eBay. Steampunk Brown Retro Roleplay Costume Halloween Cosplay. Glasses, goggles. And they sold on sale for $8.95 with free shipping. This item here was interesting to watch sell. It took 2 days on eBay. I was not the lowest price on eBay. There was quite a bit of other sellers on it. And we got a little bit more money for it. Not the craziest amount of money, but you know what? It all adds up. Forks Over Knives Plant-Based Cookbook, Del Schroefy Shufi, Shlufe, I don't know, 2012 hardcover pre-bound. And this sold for $10.95 with free media mail shipping. Now you might be confused here because these items I'm actually showing you guys are actually items I've sold. You can easily go find the eBay store that's related to these items being sold if you look at the complete listings. It's just one of the multiple eBay stores we have for our business. Again, you can check out these items I'm showing. I mean, I'm not making this stuff up. You know, a lot of craziness here on YouTube, no doubt about it. And I think you'll find that if you've been watching for a while here, you kind of know what's up. This one here took 2 days to sell. It's a House of Leaves by Mark Z. Danielewski, 2000 paperback. Again, sold for $10.30 with free media mail shipping. All right, this was a nice flip. This one took 2 days to sell. Showed this in the videos here. Markland Huge Vintage lot of 75 Mini Club Z-scale train tracks, pieces, and parts. These were the loose parts. Haven't sold the ones that were brand new in the package yet, but I was pretty thrilled with this. This was a nice little flip for some train tracks, just some train tracks. $127.96 with free shipping. This item took 17 days to sell on eBay. It's an ampersand press onto the desert, a game of survival USA card game with box. And this sold for $11.16 and just went south right to Tucson. Boom, easy peasy. This took 16 days to sell on the good old Bay, Professor Noggin's Outer Space Outset Media 2003 card game complete, and we got $8.95 with free shipping. This item took 6 days to sell on eBay, The Doors of Perception, 1970 paperback First Perennial Library, and this sold for $13.56 with free media mail shipping. I really wonder what they're thinking now. It's crazy the comments I get sometimes, guys. Like, these people that are probably watching, they're just keeping their mouth shut now going, oh, I'm wrong. I'm wrong. You did make money, Mike. Nobody ever wants to admit to that, though. You know, it's just the craziness. But, you know, the whole thing here is to document, guys, and show you that the reselling works, right? I mean, been on YouTube 7 years. You know, we're moving with storage units now. I mean, you know, you get what you get with a unit. And I'm showing you guys here just with this. If you thought this unit was crap, we're making some money at it. So this Mission DVD from 2003 with Robert De Niro, this took 7 days to sell and got $8.40 free media mail shipping. Honestly, I understand, guys. Most people don't understand my passion, don't understand my kind of the swag I got going on, or whatever you want to call it, man. I've just been doing this a long time, reselling, right? Anybody could do this gig. There's no denying it. And as you can see from this particular series of the storage unit video, you know, it's just look at the stuff. The stuff might be worth some money, right? It's that simple. But you know what? You know where I became a winner with this unit? Because I got to work and I started listing these items, guys. Here's an item here that took 2 hours to sell on eBay, a basic course in American Sign Language from 1995. This sold for $17.95 with free media mail shipping. This one took 9 days to sell. It's a Don Clemente Juego de Lotería. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. Mexican bingo playing cards, chips new in the box. This sold for $8.95 with free shipping. This item took 22 days to sell. I don't know why. It sold via promoted listings. I had it up there for about 80 bucks, but the market decided, hey, listen, this is what we want. And the buyer came through from New York for this McFarlane lot of 8 The Beatles Yellow Submarine display toy action figures. We got $51.76 with free shipping. This one here took 21 days to sell on eBay. Mary Makers from 2010 Park Ranger National Parks. Souvenir plush 5.5-inch doll new NWT. And then went to Las Vegas for $11.51 shipped. This took 3 days to sell via promoted listings on eBay. A lot of 21 pre-recorded vintage mixtape audio cassette tapes sold as blanks. Sold for $14.95 with free media mail shipping. This took 5 days to sell on eBay via promoted listings. Native Science Natural Laws of Independence, and from 1999 hardcover book, and took an offer on this one here for $30 with free shipping. This item took 11 days to sell on eBay. Posse Collection Old Faithful Yellowstone Fine Needlework Cross Stitch Kit, brand new, sold on sale for $7.85 with free shipping. And the last item we sold on eBay from this unit took 10 days to sell. It's a Kel-Tec 32 cal pistol case gun trigger locks with manual and box, brand new. And this sold on sale, going to Florida for $11.06, free shipping. All right, so let's talk about some items I sold locally. I didn't get a good photograph of this hutch. There was the base there with the drawers. It also had a top. I brought it out of the unit, literally moved it to my driveway, and I'm thinking, what am I going to do with this monstrosity? It was huge and heavy. And just happened to be my neighbor came by and fell in love with it. I said, 35 bucks, it's yours. Sold. 35 bucks. Found itself a happy home. So inside this unit, we had this desk. It had a top to it, but the top was just, it didn't belong to it at all. It was kind of messed up. This desk was missing one part of the hardware, and I was thinking about restoring it. I'm like, you know what? I don't have time for that. Just threw it up there for $20, and people were fighting over it. So sold it within about 2 days for 20 bucks. Lady came by, picked it up, and she was thrilled. Inside this unit was also a shark steamer. It had some accessories with it and some extra pads, so I just took some photographs of it, threw it up on Facebook Marketplace, and within 2 days I had a buyer for $25. I'll take it. And we also sold this GE microwave. Always had good luck selling microwaves, but there's price points to it, you know. I was recently at a thrift store that just opened up down the road, just walking through to see what they were up to. They were selling microwaves for $10. They had like 8 of them there. I'm like, what are you doing? Craziness. Anyway, I listed this up there, 20 bucks, threw it on Facebook, threw it up my Facebook business page, and no worries. People were fighting over it. So I'll take it, 20 bucks. So not a bad little unit here. And remember, we didn't even sell the rocks that came out of this unit. We didn't sell the coins. We didn't sell the native pottery. We didn't sell the Peru nativity set. What else was there? Oh, the dollhouse stuff. We haven't even sold that. There's probably around $300 or $400 worth of small stuff that we'll sell locally. So this was a pretty darn good unit. And if you did enjoy this video, please hit the thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this series. It's a complete breakdown of what a storage unit is like buying. If you've never bought a storage unit before, I definitely recommend you looking into it, especially if you're looking to do some eBay, some local sales, some flea markets. It's an excellent opportunity to really, I like to call it, become the low-cost producer. So for $198 here, I became a low-cost producer if you added up all the items. Not only that, guys, we still have a good 45 items listed online that haven't sold, and all within 3 weeks. So this was a win-win type of unit, no doubt about it. I appreciate all of you guys that have been steady fast on the YouTube channel here, that have been subscribed for a while. You follow through the series, you watch the videos. Again, if you haven't, go check it out. If you're new to the channel here, you know, I've been a reseller for over 20 years and been on YouTube here for 7, just making it happen, you know, sharing the journey with you guys out there that, you know, to show you that you're not the only person out there reselling, man. There's a lot of us out there that have been hustling and bustling. And, but really lately I've just been having a blast buying storage units. Honestly, I've been really inspired by Locker Nuts. If you haven't followed him, check out his YouTube channel. I'll be the link down below. I was on one of his live shows about a month or so ago, and it really kind of got me inspired to start making more of these storage unit videos like I used to in the past. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, guys. And go out there, like I always say, go out there and be great. Go make it happen. Thanks for watching.
All right, Cam. We just knocked this unit out. No joke. What did you take, 3 minutes?
5 tops. 5 minutes tops.
There we go.
All right.